Hey everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. Today I have another style box to share with you, and it's a box I've only shared once before in my channel, but it seemed to be a pretty big hit. And unfortunately, this box won't be for everybody because it's a box for petites. So it's called Short Story. The box came to me like this, but the post office has just been really banging up my boxes lately, but that's okay because nothing inside is damaged, I don't think. So with Short Story, it is a style box for petites. I had pretty good luck with my first box. I will pop a card up above. I actually wasn't expecting this box. I didn't order one. At least I don't think I did. But you know, I could have and just forgot that I did. But you can just request a box when you'd like. You fill out a style profile with your first box. I don't think they do this anymore, but you get a preview of items. You do get 5 items in your box. You have a little bit more time than some of the other subscription boxes, so you have 5 days to try everything on. Actually, it might be a full week, but I'll look at my paperwork. Try everything on in the comfort of your own home, and then send whatever you don't want back right in this box. And they do send you a label that you put to cover the one that they sent you originally. So Short Story, I'm trying to get my box open so I can show you. So here's my mailer here, so I would just put this back on when I am ready. And then I do also get the invoice, and what I like is actually written feedback. So you kind of write out your feedback, you rate each item, and you put keep, exchange, return. It shows you the price. The prices in this box I was so impressed with. I've seen some other YouTubers and I'm impressed with their prices. I was impressed with my prices. I've heard from some of you that you've enjoyed your boxes. So if you've tried it, please let me know. And I know a couple of you use my link, so I truly appreciate that. And I wanna know, did you like your first box? Are you still receiving it? So keep me posted. I love hearing your stories. So yeah, you send this back in the box. You don't fill it out online. You fill it out by paper or on paper. Oh, you know what I think I did? It asks you at the top, would you like another box? Yes or no? I always check yes. Of course I want another box, right? And then you do get a pamphlet inside with how it works. It tells you what to do. It tells you what's inside your box. Your stylist sends you a note. I'm just seeing, what she's saying a little bit. Okay. And then the back, it tells you the prices and, you pay $25 for your box. I forgot to tell you that. I'm sorry. So you pay $25 for your box for your styling fee. But it does get credited to anything in your box that you keep. And then if you share your box if you have a friend that wants to try it, they can get $25 towards their first box if they use your link. So again, thank you to all of you who used my link. I truly appreciate it. So let's see what's in my box. So I'm gonna go through the items. It does come wrapped in tissue paper. And okay, here we go. So I'm not gonna go over prices right now. I'd rather do that like I always do when I try things on. It just makes it a little bit easier. So the first thing I see, so I do like Short Story for like pants and things like that because I do need petite in pants. I do need petite sometimes in my dresses. So this is by Alfani, and it looks like this is a dress, so it's really, really pretty color. It's a cobalt blue, so it's got an elastic waistband here. Really pretty. I love the color, so I can't wait to try this on. The next thing I have, these are by Ralph Lauren, and these are like a trouser pant almost. So these are nice. I like these a lot. See, these are striped pants. The back has flat pockets. The front has flat pockets too. So you can't really use, no, they're not functional, but that's okay. So I like these. And then I have, this is by, oh, this is cute. It's different. This is by Good Luck Gem. And it's a cute short sleeve shirt. It's got a collar. And the buttons are functional. Oh, and it's got a tie front. Oh, I like that. Cute polka dots. It almost looks like it's denim, but it's not. I like that. That's really cute. I don't want anything like this, so I might keep that. Okay, oops. And then this is by, where is the, oh, here we go. This is by Alfani. So it looks like it's a cold shoulder top. This is the neckline. It's elastic. And then I can tell you right now, I'm not gonna be crazy about this. The bottom, this is the bottom of the shirt. It's an elastic bottom, and I'm not crazy about those because I don't want anything highlighting that area. You know what I mean? All right, and then lastly, I have by Tahari, really pretty coral color. I love the color. So it looks like it's a pleated blouse, the front, as you can see. And then the back, whoops, kind of like cinches in with that little elastic in the back right there. So that's cute. I love the color of this. So, all right, some promising pieces. So thank you, short story. All right, let me try things on. I'll be right back. Okay, I am loving the color of this blouse. This is by Tahari. This is the petite front blouse in coral, extra large petite, $42.43, and it is 100% polyester. So this blouse, I just love the color. I think it's such a pretty color. So I can wear it alone now. I could wear it with cardigans or blazers as it gets cooler. I know it's not a fall color, but I'd pull this out in the winter time and put it under a cardigan or blazer once it gets cooler for that pop of color. You know, when we're wanting, like, once it gets really cold and we're wanting those summer months and spring months again, yeah. Let's not think that far ahead. Let's enjoy the warm weather we have. But anyway, I think it's really cute. I like the sleeves. It's a little kind of, I don't know if that's, there we go, a little bit better. And then here's the back. Yeah, I like this top, so I think I'm gonna keep it because I really do love the color, and I can probably get away with wearing a necklace with it still. Actually, I have right here. I just did my Nadine West. I don't know what you're gonna see first, but yeah, how fun would that be? Okay, yep, I'm keeping this top, I think. All right, let me go and I'll try on the next top, and I will be right back. Okay, so this next top is by Good Luck Gem. This is the Sadie mixed dot shirt. It is in blue dot. It is an extra large. It is $38.97, and the material is 100% rayon. This is a cute shirt, and I'm not normally a collared shirt person for some reason. They're just not me, but I think it's cute. The buttons, it does have functional buttons all the way down, so if you wanted to button it up a little further, which I personally wouldn't do, you can. But you can I can probably unbutton it a little bit farther and pop a white cami underneath. That might look really cute too. How cute would this look in the summer? Next summer, I know we're winding down, but I can still stretch summer out a little bit, and I can throw these on with some white shorts or some white capris. This would look so cute. It does have a tie front here, which I do like that style. I know some of you don't, but I do like that style. I like the short sleeves. And then here's the, oh, I'm tripping over Lexi's toys, so sorry about that. And then here's the back. A little bit longer in the back, which I like. So yeah, I think that this top is a keeper. So let me know what you think, and I am going to try on, I think I have, yeah, let me try on the cold shoulder top. I'm gonna try on the pants, and then we'll get to the dress last. Hang on one second. Okay, next top, this is by Alfani. This is the Petite cold shoulder top in silver. It's a large petite. It is $42.80. And what am I missing? The material, 100% polyester. So, okay. So there's some things that I like about this top a lot, and there's a couple things I don't. So let's start with the positive. So I love the silver color. I think it's really pretty. I think that I don't own anything really in this silver color. I mean, I own a lot of gray, but I think this is a really pretty silver. And I love the cold shoulder look. Yeah, I'm not over that look, so I'm still gonna wear that. I do like that look. Okay, the things I don't like, yep, you called it, the neckline. I don't care for the neckline. I'm not crazy about it. It does have an elastic neckline, so I just would change that. I would also change that these are elastic, and yeah, this is elastic down here too, and I'm not crazy about that look. So I don't know, it's cute. I think it's a cute shirt, but personally for me, it's just not something I'd pull for because of those things. But if it was a flat, like if it didn't have the elastic and if it had a different neckline, I'd probably keep this top, and I will say that in my feedback too, so that they know for next time. I'm gonna show you the back. It does have, where is it, the keyhole detail. I think it has a keyhole detail. Maybe I'm thinking of another top, but yeah, can you see it's like riding up? So yeah, and I would be constantly pulling it down, but not bad. All right, I'm going to try the pants, and then we'll try on the dress, so hang tight. Okay, so the dress. I'm gonna talk about the pants in my recap, so stay tuned for that. So the dress is by Alfani. This is the Petite Calypso Maxi dress. It's in an extra large petite and it is $53.30. I love this color. I think the color is absolutely beautiful. Lay it back up so you can see the dress. Oh, the material. So it's 100% polyester, and then the bottom of the skirt has a lining, which is also 100% polyester. So it's super cute. It does have an elastic waistband, so you can kind of gather, you know how you can do that gathering look? So yeah, I think it's cute. What do you think? The material is just so soft and kind of almost satiny looking. I think it's really, really pretty. I'm not sure, the only thing I'm not crazy about is this neckline. I just wish it had a different neckline, and the neckline does have an elastic, so it's not like driving me that crazy because it's very lightweight, and this is not like, I don't feel like I'm being suffocated, and that's how I feel if things are too close to my neck. So I don't feel that. So I think this is cute, and I'm kind of leaning towards keeping this, but I can't wait to hear your feedback. I'm gonna turn around. I think there's a keyhole. I keep saying this one I think has the keyhole. I don't think that the cold shoulder top did, but yeah, keyhole back here, right? Yeah, here we go. So I don't know. It's very flowy. I like it. I think I can't get over the color. I think the color is absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, let me know what you think. All right, I'll be right back. I'll talk about the pants, which I couldn't show you, and you'll find out why. And we'll do a recap. So hang on 1 second. Okay, time for the recap. So, oh, wait a minute. The pants. So let me tell you about the pants. Unfortunately, I can't show you because they just didn't fit me. I couldn't get them buttoned. So they're by Ralph Lauren, and they are just so cute. I love this style. I may ask to try them in a size larger if they have it. What do I need to tell you about these pants? These are the Ralph Lauren Petite Striped Skinny Pants. They are $54.25. So they are really cute. So yeah, I kind of like that style. Unfortunately, I couldn't get them buttoned, so I didn't want to show you, but all right, those are the pants. So I'm gonna send those back. So that's an easy decision, right? I think I'm leaning towards keeping this cute top. I don't own anything like it. It will be something new, and yeah, it's fun. So I think I'm gonna keep that top. This coral one, I also think I'm gonna keep because not only can I wear it now, but I can also, like I said, wear it with, I'm not a blazer person, but if you are, you could wear it with blazers. I'd throw a cardigan over this for work, so I do think I'm gonna keep this. I am going to send back this cold shoulder top. I liked it, but I just, yeah, this would drive me crazy on the top, and then the bottom would drive me crazy too. So unfortunately, that one's going back. And I'm on the fence about the dress. So I do like it. I just don't know where I'd wear it. So yeah, I don't know. Where could I wear this dress? I probably could get away with wearing it to work. I don't know. I don't know. Let me know what you think. I just love the color. I think it's such a pretty color. So I'll watch back too and I'll see what I think before I make my decision. But that was my short story box. If you'd like to try it for yourself, I'll leave a link below. So I know a lot of people have had really good luck with this box, and I've been pretty impressed with this box myself. So if you'd like to give it a try in your petite, feel free. So thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I truly appreciate it, and I will see you all in my next video.